Dear students, now we will start exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4 means exercise 3.4 questions and all. We will do the solutions. But for this, whatever the concepts we required, trigonometric equations, principal solutions, general solutions, concepts we have already learned. Principal solutions again we need not recap. Why? Because this we know very well. Principal solution between 0 to 2 pi. But what we do, just 1 or 2 minutes, again we recap general solution of sine, cos, tan. Okay? Okay. Let us go for general solution of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay. You see, general solution for sine theta. Okay. You see, carefully observe how I am writing. General solution for sine theta. Again I am writing when sin x is equal to sin y. This is very important. When sin x is equal to sin y, okay, at the time only x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n y. Okay. First stop and analyze. General solution for sin theta. When sin x is equal to sin y, here x and y both are angles only, not values, angles. Okay, that you keep in your mind. X is an angle, y is an angle. X is equal to, this angle is equivalent to this angle. What is this angle? Another angle. Another angle, multiplication of and addition of all this. N by plus minus 1 whole power n y. N is integer. You write somewhere else. N belongs to Z. Okay? Now go for another one. Sin theta, cos theta. When, not when. For sin theta we have to write now. First cos theta. For cos theta. See, this is for sin theta. What about for cos theta? Okay? Cos theta also, you see, when cos x is equal to cos y, when cos x is equal to cos y, x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y. Observe carefully, difference. Sin n pi plus minus 1 whole power n y, minus 1 whole power n y. Okay? But for cos x is equal to cos y, x is equal to 2n pi. Here n pi, here 2n pi. Here plus or minus y. Okay? Complexity is not there. Tan theta is more simpler than this one. Okay. For tan theta, okay, when tan x is equal to tan y, okay, when tan x is equal to tan y, x is equal to n pi plus y. That's all. Simple. This is very simpler. N pi only will come, plus y will come. Here like this minus 1 whole power n will not come, plus y. When tan x is equal to tan y, x is equal to n pi plus y. Okay? For all, n is an integer. N belongs to Z. Okay? This you memorize. Then we go back for 3.4 exercise. Okay, see the first question. Exercise 3.4. Find principal and general solutions for following trigonometric equations. This is equation only. Okay? Trigonometric equation. We have to find principal solution and general solution. Principal solution is easy. Before, what we can say? From 0 to 2 pi. Two angles we have to write. Principal solution. General solution also we have to find. General solution. Okay? Okay. Let us find first principal solution. You see here tan x is equal to root 3. Where tan x root 3 will come? That means in tan, where root 3 will come normally? What will be the theta here? X what will be the value? X what will be the angle? Not value. Value is root 3. What will be the angle x? See, tan is 0 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 infinity. That means root 3 will 60 degree. Okay, that means x is equal to 60 degree. Okay, how to write? You see how I am writing. X is equal to 60 degree. That how you show? Pi by 3. Only this? No, another angle is also there. Okay, why? Because for principal solution, two angles are there. Okay, see, I am writing this tan circle diagram. This is circle diagram for tan theta. All positive, all silver T cups, T, tan, positive, remaining two are negative. Okay, now you tell me value is plus root 3 or minus root 3, plus root 3. Plus root 3 means, see, like this it will be there. See, plus root 3 here also will come, here also will come. Why? Because see, from horizontal only you have to make angle theta. From horizontal only you have to make angle theta. Okay. This theta is how much? 60 degree. I am writing 60 degree only. Why? Because this, you do all the problems in degrees, finally you convert into radians. 60 degree. You see here 60 degree. Okay. Why? Because from 0 it is starting. That is why here you can say this is pi by 3. But here already pi is there. 180 degree. Pi plus pi by 3. Okay. Then another one is x is equal to pi plus pi by 3. Okay. Pi by 3, pi plus pi by 3. Two values will be there. The two values should be positive. Here positive for tan theta. This is the tan circle diagram only I am talking about. Okay. Okay. 3 pi plus pi, 4 pi by 3. Is it correct? Okay. 3 pi plus pi, 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3. Now I can write like this. You see, not general solution, first principal solution. Principal solution, comma. X is equal to, you can write, or simply also pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 also you can write. X is equal to pi by 3 or 4 pi by 3. Okay. 60 degrees or 240 degree. Why? Because 180 plus 60, 240 degree. 60 into 4, 240 degree. This will be your principal solution for this value. Principal solution depends on value, also going to change. Depends on value, angles are going to change. See, what are principal solution, general solution? Finding of angles only. Okay. Now let us go for general solution also. General solution, you write down. General solution. General solution for tan theta. For tan theta. Tan theta general solution is what? Tan theta general solution is x is equal to n pi plus y. This is very simple. Okay. X is equal to n pi plus y. See here, x you have to write x is equal to only. You write x is equal to n pi, also you have to write n pi, plus also you have to write. But why? Which value you have to take? First positive value you take. See, when you rotate anti-clockwise direction, first value, whether it may be negative or positive. See, if negative comes, means here it will come first. Two negatives are there, na? Negative value, first negative value, positive value, first positive value. Like that you have to take. Okay, for cos, first negative value will come here. First negative value here only will come. Yes. Okay, like this you have to take. See, there is no compulsion. Even if you write 4 pi by, see, I am writing pi by 3. Y is equal to pi by 3. N pi plus pi by 3. X is equal to n pi plus pi by 3. This is your general solution for this equation. You can write here, rather than pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 also. There is no wrong. Okay. Why? Because see, for principal solution, two angles will come. Between two, any one value you can write for general solution. Okay. Now we finished this first question. Let us go for second question. Okay. See, secant x is equal to 2. We have to find general solution, principal solution, both for this value. Okay. See, How to define this secant x for general solution? Principal solution we can write, there is no bar. But what about general solution? General solution we know for only sine, cos, tan. Then how to convert this? Yes, directly you can convert. Secant theta is equal to 1, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. You convert it first into cos theta, then you find general solution, principal solution both for cos theta only. Okay, we need not find for secant theta. Okay, let us find. You write cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta, that is equal to 1 by 2. Is it correct? Now cos x is equal to 1 by 2 has come. We can find general solution for cos x. Sorry, principal solution, general solution both for cos x. Okay. Now cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. This will be your circle diagram for cos x. Cos x, see all positive silver T cups. See here will come. Remaining both are negative. If you observe here, cos x 1 by 2 means this is positive. Positive means where it will come? It will come here, you see. It will come here, it will come here. Theta, theta. Okay? Both areas, those will come. See, in cos 1 by 2 is where? For cos you see 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. That means where 1 by 2 comes? 60 degree. That means this is 60 degree. This is also minus 60 degree. Okay. Okay, 60 degree means, see, I can write like this. X is equal to 60 degree, that is equal to pi by 3. Okay. This is one value only. Principal solution, two values. Another value is this one. This one means how you can write? See, this is 60 degrees means 0 degree plus 60 degree. 60 degree you have written. But what about this 60 degree? 0 minus 60 degree? No. 2 pi minus 60. Another value is 2 pi. Why? Because here 360 degrees are there. 2 pi minus 60. 2 pi minus pi by 3. 6 pi minus pi. 5 pi by 3. Is it okay? 2 pi minus pi by 3. 6 pi minus pi. 5 pi by 3. Now you write principal solutions. Principal solutions. Principal solution. X is equal to pi by 3 or 5 pi by 3. Okay, see here we are writing x is equal to pi by 3 or 5 pi by 3. But when you are writing general solution, then this x you don't write. You have to take pi by 3 as y. Okay, or else you need not write x. Simply you can write principal solution pi by 3 or 5 by 3. Principal solution for this equation. Pi by 3 or 5 by 3, like that you can write. Even if you write x or not, don't bother. But these values you have to write for principal solution. Okay? Okay. Now let us go for general solution also. General solution of cos theta. General solution for cos theta. First you write the equation. General solution for cos theta. What is the equation? X is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y. Okay. For all values, finally you write n belongs to z like that. See, this n belongs to z I am writing here by default. I am not going to rub this. For every equation you have to write this one. Okay. Unless you write that this is not going to become valid. Okay. Now you write simply x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y. Which y you take? Any y you can take. Whether you can write pi by 3 also correct, 5 pi by 3 also correct. I am writing 5 by 3. Okay. Why? Because see, in clockwise direction, first value I am taking. You can take 5 pi by 3 also. There is no bar. Okay. This is your general solution and principal solution for secant x2. See, normal secant x2 means cos x 1 by 2. Okay. Note down. We go for third question. Okay. Now, third question. Cot x is equal to minus root 3. Okay. Here also you see cot x we don't have general solution. Principal solution we can find. but we don't have general solution. We have general solution for sine, cos, tan. Then how to convert this? Cot x can be converted into tan x. Write down tan x is equal to 1 by cot x. That's all. Tan x is equal to 1 by cot x, comma tan x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Is it correct? You see. Now tan x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Directly I have written minus 1 numerator. Why? Because see, 1 by minus root 3 it will become 1 by cot x means. But minus I have transferred to numerator. Okay. Now again draw the circle diagram for tan theta. Okay. So this is circle diagram for tan theta. You see all silver T cups. Okay, tan, both these areas are positive, both these areas are negative. But you want which value here? If you observe, minus is there, negative values here will come. Here means see, always angle should be taken for horizontal x-axis only. Okay, both of this. Okay, now you tell me minus 1 by root 3 means first in positive, where 1 by root 3 will come? Tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree will be 1 by root 3. Okay, now minus 1 by root 3 means minus 30 degree. This is minus 30. I say this is minus 30 degrees. Okay, this is 30 degrees. This is minus 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Okay, that means I can say this is 30 degree. 30 degree are there in minus coordinate, those have come. Okay, now you tell me first 30 degree how to take. See, in this direction, which one is first, this one or this one? This one is first. Both we have to take, but first one is how much you are going to take. This is 180, this is 90. You tell me 180 minus 30 or 180 plus 30 I will take. 180 minus 30. Why? Because see, 180 minus 30, 150. 150 will be between 180 or 90. If we take 180 plus 30, 210. 210 will be between 180 and 270. Okay? That is wrong. That is why what you have to take? You have to take 180 minus 30. You write down. X is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree. That is equal to pi minus pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. Is it correct? 6 pi minus pi. 5 pi by 6. Okay. This is first angle. Second angle, 2 pi minus 30. X is equal to 2 pi minus 30 degree. That is equal to 2 pi minus pi by 6. 12 pi minus pi. 11 pi by 6. 6 into 2, 12 minus 12 pi minus pi, 11 pi by 6, 11 pi by 6. Now you see, directly we write a principal solution. Why? Because we have got two values. Principal solution. Principal solution 5 pi by 6 or 11 pi by 6. Any angle you can take. Okay. 5 pi by 6 or 11 pi by 6. This is a principal solution, but we want general solution also, right? General solution again. General solution for tan theta. Tan theta. X is equal to n pi plus y. Simply. Okay. Simply it will come. X is equal to n pi plus y. 5 pi by 6. See, I am going to take 5 pi by 6, first one. You can take 11 pi by 6 also. 5 pi by 6. Is it correct? Definitely correct. Okay. Now this is your general solution. These two are principal solutions. Okay. Okay. Let us go for fourth question. Okay. See now, fourth question. Cosecant x is equal to minus 2. Okay. Cosecant x is equal to minus 2 means, see, we have general solution for sine, cos, tan. Cosecant means how you can convert 1 by sine theta. 1 by sine theta is equal to cosecant theta, or sine theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, right? Sine theta is equal to, write down, you see, sin x is equal to 1 by cosecant x. Okay, comma sin x is equal to, see, minus all I am transferring to numerator, minus 1 by 2. Is it correct? Okay. Yeah. Now again draw the circle diagram for sin theta. This will be the circle diagram for sin theta. Okay. Where all positive? See, all positive here and sign positive here. All silver teacups. Remaining both are negative. See, you want negative value only. Observe carefully. Negative value. Negative value means for horizontal axis only you have to take. You see. Now you tell me which angle first you have to take. First angle is this one. Why? Because when anti-clockwise rotation, first this angle will come, next this angle will come. What will be this angle? See, this is 180 degrees, this is 360 degree. Okay? Like that you take. Now you tell me which this angle is how much? In sin 1 by 2 where it will come? See, first you take for positive value, then we will apply that angle, same angle here. Positive value sin 1 by 2, where it comes? 30 degree only. See, 0 means 0, 30 degree 1 by 2. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Okay? 30 degree will come. See, I am writing here 30 degree. 180 plus 30, 210 degree. You write same thing. X is equal to 180 degree plus 30 degree, that is equal to 210 degree. Okay? How can we convert into radians? Pi plus pi by 6. Okay? Pi plus pi by 6. 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 6. What about another angle? Another angle is this one. Same 30 degree but 360 minus 30. 330 degree. Another angle is 360 degree minus 30 degree, that is equal to 330 degree. That is equal to 360 means 2 pi minus pi by 6. 12 pi minus pi, 11 pi by 6. Is it correct? Definitely correct. Okay? 11 pi by 6. You write now first principal solution. Principal solution, these two angles. 7 pi by 6, 11 pi by 6. Principal solution. Principal solution. 7 pi by 6 or 11 pi by 6. Okay? 7 pi by 6 or 11 pi by 6. These are principal solution. Now you go for general solution. Write down general solution. General solution for sin theta. First you write the equation. Write the equation first. X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n y. This will be the equation. Again you substitute the value. Substitute the value means only one value, y. One value you have to substitute. You can substitute 7 pi by 6 or 11 pi by 6, any one. X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n 7 pi by 6. Is it correct? 100% correct. You see, 7 pi by 6. Okay, n pi. This is for sin theta. Sin theta peculiarly n pi plus minus 1 whole power n will come. Okay. This is answer for your fourth question. Let us go for fifth question. See the fifth question. Now pattern has changed. They are asking only general solution. We need not write principal solution. General solution they are asking. Okay. Find general solution for each of the following. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all are general solution only you have to find. We need not find principal solution. Fifth question is cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. See, this is trigonometry equation only. Okay, you see, cos 4x is equal to cos 2x is the question. But I am converting this equation. How? You see, I am writing like this. Cos 4x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. Is it correct? Okay. Then, how again I am converting? You see, this is like cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. Okay. Then minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. So, right. Minus 2 sin a plus b by 2, 4x plus 2x, 6x by 2, 3x sin a minus b by 2, 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2x is equal to 0. Okay. If you observe carefully, here three identities are there, minus 2, sin 3x, sin x. But minus 2 will not become 0. Then what will become 0? Sin 3x is equal to 0 and sin x is equal to 0. Is it correct? Definitely correct. Why? Because sin 3x may be 0. Even if it is 0, all will become 0. Sin x 0, all will become 0. Okay? Okay. See, one thing I will tell. Even though he is asking general solution, but when 0 comes, so normally we know sin is where 0? N pi. Straight away you can put to n pi. Okay. How I am keeping you right? You see, observe carefully. See, sin 3x is equal to 0 means 3x is equal to n pi. Why? Because in sine, you know na, sine, these two areas are 0. 2n pi, 2n plus 1 pi, both together n pi. Okay. Or x is equal to n pi here. Okay, here 3x is equal to n pi, x is equal to n pi. Okay. Then x is equal to what? X is equal to n pi by 3 or x is equal to n pi. This is your final answer for general solution. You understand na? See, you may got confused. Why? Because see, for sin theta only na, sin. For sin theta general solution I told like this. Sir, why I have not given written in this form, like you may ask. See, this is not for 0. This general solution. Okay. Now, if 0 comes means directly you apply. Why you are worrying? 0 comes directly apply. Why you are going for this formula again? 0, this is simpler, na? Writing n pi is simpler than this one. Here you have to write n pi plus minus 1 whole power a. Why? Like that you have to write. Okay. Why should you write again this? You write simply n pi. When 0 comes, automatically you take this value, n pi. Okay. If 0 doesn't come, any other value is coming, any other angle is coming. See here, 3x, the 0 is value. Okay. If 0 is not coming, any other value is coming, then you go for another this formula. Okay. Now this is answer for your this question, fifth question. X is equal to n pi by 3 or x is equal to n pi. Okay. Now let us go for sixth question. See the question. Cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. Okay. You see, here three identities are there. Any two identities you can take and you convert into multiplication. Then those two will become 1 and 2. Another one with 2 will become, you can take common, like that you have to think. See which one you have to take for making it to multiplication, addition to multiplication, that is very important. You see, if you take 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, 2 is going to match. Okay, that you can take common. If you take 3 plus 2, 5 by 2, 2.5 will come. That is not giving fair figure. That is why 3 plus 2 you don't take. Then another option is 1 plus 3. Actually minus is there, but even then I am telling 1 plus 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 by 2 is also 1.5. That is not going to give any possibility. You have only option 3 plus 1. That means cos 3x plus cos x only you have to take. Okay. Let us take that only. Okay. See now, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. 2 cos a cos b. Write down. 2 cos a means 3x plus x, 4x by 2, 2x. Cos b means 3x minus x, 2x by 2x. Minus cos 2x, same will be there. Okay. Now these two has become 1. Addition to multiplication. Okay. Now you take common of cos 2x. That is also very important. Cos 2x, if you take common, 2 cos x will be there. Minus cos x, 2 common already we have taken. This will come. Okay. Now you see, this is one identity, entire this is one identity like. Okay. Now cos 2x is equal to 0. or 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. You understand, na? Cos 2x is equal to 0 or see a into b in parenthesis means this entire thing you take as b. A into b is equal to 0 means a 0 or b 0. Okay. Cos 2x is equal to 0 means, see, I told already, you don't go for general solution equation when it comes to 0. When it comes 0, don't go for general solution equation. Simply you take that n pi or 2n plus 1 pi by 2. For cos, what one? Which one? For cos, these two areas are 0. These two areas means 4n plus 1 pi by 2, 4n plus 3 pi by 2. Together is going to become 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Same thing you write. That means here, see, here not x is equal to 2x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Is it correct? Definitely correct. Why? Because here x has not come. Here x is 2x. 2x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay. Now again you convert x. Why? Because finally you want for x. X is equal to, you see, 2 is going to, here multiplication, here going to divide 2n plus 1 pi by 4. Is it correct? Why? Because 2x is this much, x will be this much. 2 is going to divide this entire equation or this expression. Okay, now go this side also. R you keep R. Okay. 2x minus 1. See, like this 2n plus 1 directly you cannot write here. Why? Because see, this is not 0. Appearing 0, but it is not 0. You see, 2 cos x is equal to 1. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2. You understand, na? That means cos x or cos 2x value, if 0 comes, means like that you can write. But here cos x value has come 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not 0, then you have to go for general solution equation. Okay. Cos x, where it comes 1 by 2? Positive only. 60 degree. 60 degree means pi by 3. Now that value write as y. Don't write as x. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2 means y is equal to pi by 3. You understand, na? Pi by 3. Why pi by 3? Pi by 3 is 60 degrees. At 60 degrees, cos is 1 by 2. Now you write general solution equation first. See, first you write like this equation. X is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y. Why? Because cos, for cos you are writing. Okay. Then finally you write x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y means pi by 3. Okay. What you have to do, finally you box these two values. Why? Because examiner should understand which are the final values. This is final value, this is final value. Both are general solution only. Okay. You note down these, we go for 7th. See the 7th question. Here directly is not given in x form. Here it is giving in sin 2x. But here is cos x. How to convert sin 2x in terms of cos? Sin 2x there is no other. One is tan in tan form, another one is 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x means cos x common will come. Like that you have to think and write. Okay. See, I am writing like this. 2 sin x cos x plus cos x is equal to 0. Is it okay? Okay. 2 sin x cos x plus cos x is equal to 0. This cos x is there, but sin 2x I have changed it as 2 sin x cos x. Now cos x common is there. You write down cos x common, 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it okay? You see, 2 sin x cos x plus cos x. Okay. Now again you write how the possibility will come. Possibility is like this. You see, cos x is equal to 0 or 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. These are two possibilities. Okay. For becoming 0, Cos x is equal to 0 or 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Cos x is equal to 0 means x is there. Right away you write. What is that value? Cos 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Write down. X is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay. This is final answer. This side. You box it. You understand now? Why? Because x is there directly. X is equal to 0 is there. 2n plus 1 pi by 2. This is final answer for this side. This side 2 sin x plus 1 again you have to do. Okay. What you are going to do? You see 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 2 sin x is equal to minus 1. Okay. Here plus is there. If it goes in RHS minus. Then again you write sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now go again the circle diagram of sin theta. No, not circle diagram is required. You tell me 1 by 2 where it comes sine 30 degree. That means minus 30 degree you have to take. Minus 30 degree. Minus 30 degree means 2 pi or else first you, okay, we write circle diagram only. Why? Because first one you take, the answer will be in first one. But you can take second one also, but answer will not be there, then you may get confused. For sine, this is all sine. These two are negative. Okay, now negative value is there, angles will be here like. Okay, these two are angles. Okay, in anti-clockwise direction, first which one will come? This one will come. That means, see, this is 30 degree, 180 degree. 180 plus 30 or 180 minus 30? 180 plus 30. Why? Because 180 minus 30 means positive it is going to become. Here you want negative value. For negative value, 180 plus 30, if you go automatically 210, then this will come. This value is what? Y. That you observe carefully. I am writing, you see, y is equal to 180 means pi plus 30 means pi by 6. 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 6. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay. Now you got y also. Then sine. See, for all n belongs to z is there. I am not writing again and again, but you have to write. Y you have received. Then write the general solution for x. Sin x. Sin x general solution is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n y. Then convert it into. So put value, substitute value, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n 7 pi by 6. Okay. Finally what you have to do? You have to box this value or equation. This is equation only, na? Yes, equation. General solution but in equation form. Okay. These two are answers for this question. X is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n 7 pi by 6. Both are answer for your 7th question. Let us go for 8th question. Okay. See the 8th question. Secant square 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Okay. See, we know 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Or secant square theta we can write 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square 2 theta, secant square 2 theta. Same thing is there. You see secant square 2 theta, tan 2 theta. Okay. Convert it first. You see how I am converting. Secant square 2x I am converting 1 plus tan square theta. Theta means here 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Now you tell me 1 are going to get cancelled or not. Why? Because equal to is there, plus 1 plus 1. This side comes means 1 minus 1. This side it goes 1 minus 1. Okay. Okay. Now tan square 2x like that only it will be there. Minus tan 2x is going to become plus tan 2x if it comes this side. Is it correct? Definitely correct. Then what you have to take? You have to take common of tan 2x. See tan square 2x. Tan square 2x, tan 2x. Both tan 2x is there. Then you take common of tan 2x. If you take tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is going to become. Is it correct? Definitely correct. You see. tan 2x, tan 2x, tan square 2x, tan square 2x, tan 2x into 1, tan 2x. Okay. Now what are the possibilities like this? You see, tan 2x is equal to 0 or tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it correct? Definitely correct. Tan 2x is equal to 0 or tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Tan 2x is equal to 0 means directly you take n pi. Why? Because see, like sine, tan also 0 at these two areas. N pi. Okay? See, for all these values you have to write n belongs to z. Don't forget. Okay? Finally, before answer you write that one. Okay. Tan 2x is equal to 0 means what you have to write? 2x is equal to n pi you have to write. Don't write x is equal to n pi. 2x is equal to n pi. X is equal to n pi by 2. This will be answer for one side. You understand, na? X is equal to, see, 2x is there. 2x is equal to n pi. Why n pi? N pi because 0. X is equal to directly n pi by 2. This is answer this side. This side we will see. Okay. Tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 means tan 2x is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now you tell me in tan, forget about 2x. We can take 2x as theta, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to minus 1. First of all, let me tell you, tan theta 1 is there. Definitely 1 is there. Tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is also 1. Why? Because sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, tan is equal to sin 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, 1 will come. Okay? Okay. Yeah, see here. Then minus 1, minus we have to take. You see here tan, here it is positive, here it is positive. There minus, here minus. See, first where it comes? First here it comes. Okay, 180 minus theta. How much this theta? 45 degree. I told, no, 45 degree. Okay, then how to write this? You have to take this as y. Y. Y is equal to 180 degree minus 45 pi by 4. Okay? Why? Because if you take plus, then plus will come. But you want minus. Okay. Now 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. Okay? This is y. But how to write? You see, carefully observe here. First you write equation for tan. Tan equation is x is equal to n pi plus y. This is equation. While substituting here, x is what? X is 2x. Carefully you have to write, or else you are going to do mistake. This is general solution. But x has come 2x. 2x is equal to n pi plus y is 3 pi by 4. Okay. Now if this is x, 2x, then what about x? X is equal to n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8. Why? Because 2 is going to divide n pi by 2, 3 pi by 8. Okay. This will be your final answer, where n belongs to z. For all n belongs to z. Okay. These two are final answers. X is equal to n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8. X is equal to n pi by 2. These two are your final answer for question number 8. Let us go for 9th question. See question number 9. Sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x is equal to 0. Okay, you see, which one you have to add, which one you have to take 2 and you have to make it multiplication, and another one should become common. Okay, like that you have to proceed. If you take 1 plus 3, 4, 4 divided by 2, 2 will come, but here 2 is not there. Okay. Then if you take 3 plus 5, 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4, but 4 is not there. If you take 5 plus 1, 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3, 3 is there. Then you have to take 5x plus x. First you have to write 5x. Why? Because a plus b will be 5x, a minus b will be x. Yes, like that you have to write. Okay. Like this you have to analyze it. Okay. How I am writing, you observe. Sin 5x plus sin x plus sin 3x is equal to 0. I have converted like this. Okay. Now how I am doing, you see sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a means 5 plus 1, 6 by 2, 3x. Cos 5 minus 1, 4 by 2 is 2, 2x. Plus sin 3x is equal to 0. Okay, like this you have to write. If you observe carefully, sin 3x common will come. For that only we have made like this. Okay. Okay. Take common. Sin 3x if you take common, 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it okay? Why? Because you see 2 sin 3x cos 2x, 2 sin 3x cos 2x, sin 3x equal to 0. Okay? Okay. Now again you split. How? Sin 3x is equal to 0 or 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it correct? Definitely correct. You see 2 cos 2x is equal to 0 or sin 3x is equal to 0. 0 into something is 0. Something into 0 is 0. Okay? See here sin 3x again directly 0 has come. You need not write all that equation and all. Directly you can write 3x is equal to n pi. Same thing you write 3x is equal to n pi. Why? Because sin 0 to n pi. Then x is equal to n pi by 3. This will be the final answer for this one, this side. Okay? Now go for this side. 2 cos 2x is equal to minus 1. Cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Why? Because this 2 is going to divide. Okay, now you tell me, now this 2x you take as theta. In cos where 1 by 2 will come, first positive you think, then we will make it negative. Where it will come? In cos, you see this is cos. All silver tea cups cos. Both are these minus, but minus has come. What I am writing? Like this I am taking, for horizontal axis only, both like this will come. Okay. First angle, this one. 180 degree minus theta. 180 plus theta means second angle will come. That also you can take, but you will take first angle only. This one only we will take theta. Cos where 1 by 2 will come? 60 degree. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. That means this is 60 degree. 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60. Okay? That will be your y. Okay, how I am writing, you see, y is equal to pi minus pi by 3. 60 means pi by 3. Okay? 3 pi minus pi. 2 pi by 3. Is it okay? Okay. Now you write first general solution for cos. General solution for cos, how you are going to write? You write like this. X is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y. Okay, this is general solution equation. Okay, now here you see x is 2x. Observe carefully. Here theta 2x. Write 2x. 2x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. But we want x, not 2x. Then again convert it into x. X is equal to 2n pi by 2 okay, plus or minus 2 pi by 3 by 2. Why? Because this 2 is going to divide. See, 2 into 2 going to get cancelled. That is why I write 2n pi only. 2 going to get cancelled. Again I am going to write pi by 3 only. Is it correct? Okay. This will be answer for your 9th question. Okay. Okay. Now we finished this exercise 3.4 also. Next exercise will be miscellaneous. Now we finished 3.4. Now I am going to give miscellaneous exercise number as 3.5. Okay, 3.5 I am going to give that number. In the next class, let us start 3.5 exercise, miscellaneous exercise. Okay, thank you very much.